Don't even fucking...
Oh, fuck off, you fucking cock. And I do love my car. It's the heated seats, man. Do you know what's the hard part? Is the early mornings, like, it is cold. Like, so cold.
Fucking think about it.
Sorry?
Don't even fucking...
Oh, fuck off, you fucking cock. Look, hey. Anyway, that fucking idiot. So, anyway, as I was saying, until I was rudely interrupted by some bellend, I'm going to get rid of, obviously, having to get rid of Olive, mainly because she's not getting ridden, and the whole point is I ain't got to worry about her. Look at that cock. Anyway, so I think that guy is an absolute cock. I'm gonna get past you. I'm gonna go forward. You wait. Yeah, you wait. Yeah. Go on. Oh my god! What a fucking idiot! Oh god, that was good. Oh, do you know what? Fucking brilliant, mate. What a bell end. Right. Perfect. That brings the topic up. Right. Can I just address something? I am on a 125. Bear in mind, it's a small bike. As you saw, all I did was overtake him, and his precise words were, "Don't you fucking think about it." I'm sorry, sir, that you have to sit in traffic, but if it was fucking raining right now, I would be getting wet.